Hello and good morning. In this video, we want to find the value of the integral, which I've denoted by I, of dx over 1 plus 3 cos squared x between the limits x equals 0 and x equals pi upon 4. So, we would normally try and scout around for a substitution, but before we do that, let's write the integrand in another form. So 1 plus 3 cos squared x is equal to, by multiplying the top and bottom of that fraction by sec squared x, it becomes sec squared x on the top and sec squared x plus 3 on the bottom. And that's equal to sec squared x over 1 plus tan squared x plus 3, because sec squared x is the same as 1 plus tan squared x. And then that simplifies to sec squared x over 4 plus tan squared x. Now it appears we can, we have to work out the integral between 0 and pi upon 4 of sec squared x dx over 4 plus tan squared x. And it seems reasonably obvious now that the substitution to use is to replace tan x by u. So du equals sec squared x, and then the integral easily transforms to the integral of du over 4 plus u squared. The limits, of course, have changed, because when x is pi upon 4, tan pi upon 4 is 1, so u is 1, that's the top limit, and in the same way the bottom limit will be 0. And that is the standard integral, which is 1/2 tan inverse half of u. And we've got to evaluate that between the limits 1 and 0. So that becomes 1/2 bracket tan inverse 1/2 minus tan inverse 0, which is easily just 1/2 tan inverse 1/2. Now, you may have been a little bit perplexed about the integration step. That is a standard integral, and I've explained that down below in red paint. So I'll leave you to peruse through that at your leisure, and bid you good morning, and thank you very much for listening.